Please keep in mind, if parking spaces are arranged along the roadway, always make sure the maneuver is safe both for you and for the surrounding drivers. Always keep your eyes on the road and stay attentive. If your car is tightly pressed on both sides, there's no reason to try to exit on the first attempt. You will risk touching the vehicle in front with your front bumper. For new drivers who are still unsure about the size of their car and worry about hitting another vehicle, we recommend asking someone to assist you. Most likely, no one will refuse to help. A helper can show you the distance to nearby cars using hand signals. Comparing what you see from inside the car with these cues will help you better understand your vehicle's dimensions. In our example, the red car will be moving to the left. If you need to exit to the right instead, simply perform the same actions in reverse order. So, how do we leave a tight parking spot? Let's begin. Step 1. Before moving, switch on your left turn signal so other drivers understand your intention. Turn the steering wheel to the right, shift into reverse, and back up as close as possible to the gray car. If your wheels are too close to the curb, just reverse with the wheels straight until you approach the gray car. Step 2. Now turn the steering wheel fully to the left and move forward, getting as close as possible to the car in front. If you have enough room to exit right away, proceed. It means you are not squeezed too tightly. If there isn't enough space, that's completely normal. So don't worry and continue to the next step. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right again and slowly reverse, approaching the vehicle behind you. Step 4. Turn the wheels to the left once more and try to drive out. Usually, 4 movements are enough. If you still don't have enough space, simply repeat the previous steps. Forward, then back. Eventually, you will reach the angle needed to exit. Congratulations! By following these steps, you'll now be able to leave even the tightest parking spots without any trouble. Don't forget to subscribe. On our channel, you'll find simplified animations, helpful tips for new drivers, and fun quizzes that will prepare you for your driving test.